Luciano 2025. Top reggae hits and empowering anthems you need to hear. In 2025, Luciano, the messenger of reggae, continues to reign as a beacon of conscious roots reggae, his soulful baritone and uplifting lyrics captivating global audiences. Born Jepther McClement in Manchester, Jamaica, Luciano's music blends spiritual salvation, Rastafarian principles, and African repatriation, making him a pivotal figure alongside legends like Peter Tosh and Bob Marley. His extensive catalog, with over 40 albums, including hits like It's Me Again Jah and Sweep Over My Soul, is trending on YouTube, where fans celebrate his timeless messages of love, unity, and resilience. Dive into Luciano's top hits and anthems shaping 2025's reggae scene, and subscribe to our channel for the latest reggae updates. Luciano's 1995 album Where There Is Life remains a landmark, with tracks like It's Me Again Jah and Lord Give Me Strength dominating YouTube playlists. The former, a heartfelt prayer, tops reggae charts with its soul-stirring melody and classic one-drop rhythm, amassing millions of views for its music video. The Messenger, 1997, and Sweep Over My Soul, 1999, further solidified his legacy, their conscious lyrics resonating in 2025 as fans share live performances and lyric videos on YouTube. His 2010 album United States of Africa, with its focus on global unity, is seeing renewed interest, with songs like In This Recession striking a chord amid economic challenges, as noted by Reddit fans, reddit.com. Recent YouTube trends highlight Luciano's live performances, such as his 2024 New Year's Eve show at Miramar's Regional Park Amphitheatre, where he blended gospel-like upliftment with high-energy reggae, singing hits like God Give Me Strength to a diverse Caribbean audience. Clips from this event, shared on platforms like Reggae Vibes, are gaining traction, showcasing his humility and connection with fans. His 2022 single Rise Up on the Tymeless Riddim, produced by Billyjoemedia, also trends with its vibrant video, emphasizing resilience and hope. MiamiHerald.com Reggae-Vibes.com. Luciano's influence extends to 2025's reggae revival, with YouTube channels like BashmentAuthority.com curating playlists of his best work, including covers like Young Gifted and Black, and originals like Child of a King. His commitment to positive lyrics, avoiding the slackness of some peers, earns praise on X, where fans call him a living legend for his spiritual foundation. Whether performing at events like The Playground Maui or inspiring new artists, Luciano's voice remains a powerful force. Explore Luciano's 2025 YouTube hits, from classic albums to recent live shows, and let his music uplift your spirit. His messages of faith and unity are more relevant than ever. Subscribe to our channel for more on Luciano, reggae hits, and empowering anthems driving 2025's music scene.